Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. The implications of cybersecurity are far-reaching and impact individuals, businesses, and governments. As technology advances, the need for robust cybersecurity measures becomes increasingly critical. Data breaches can lead to sensitive information being exposed or stolen. The financial and reputational costs of a data breach can be significant. Implementing strong cybersecurity measures can help prevent data breaches and protect sensitive information. Cyber attacks can result in financial loss through theft of funds or disruption of business operations. Businesses may incur costs related to recovering from a cyber attack, such as forensic investigations and legal fees. Investing in cybersecurity can help mitigate the risk of financial loss due to cyber attacks. Organizations must comply with various laws and regulations related to cybersecurity. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in legal penalties and reputational damage. Maintaining a strong cybersecurity posture is essential for meeting legal and regulatory obligations. A cybersecurity incident can tarnish an organization's reputation and erode customer trust. Negative publicity stemming from a cyber attack can have long-lasting effects on an organization's brand. Prioritizing cybersecurity can help safeguard an organization's reputation and maintain customer confidence. Cyber attacks can target intellectual property, such as trade secrets and proprietary information. The theft of intellectual property can have dire consequences for businesses, including loss of competitive advantage. Protecting intellectual property through robust cybersecurity measures is crucial for safeguarding innovation. Cyber attacks targeting supply chains can disrupt operations and impact multiple organizations. Supply chain vulnerabilities can be exploited by cyber criminals to gain access to sensitive data. Collaborating with suppliers to enhance cybersecurity measures can help mitigate supply chain risks. Cyber attacks on critical infrastructure, such as power grids and transportation systems, can have severe consequences. Safeguarding critical infrastructure from cyber threats is essential for ensuring public safety and national security. Governments and organizations must work together to bolster the cybersecurity of critical infrastructure. Employees play a crucial role in maintaining cybersecurity within an organization. Providing regular training on cybersecurity best practices can help employees recognize and respond to threats. Cultivating a culture of cybersecurity awareness can strengthen an organization's overall security posture. Developing an incident response plan is essential for effectively managing and mitigating cybersecurity incidents. A well-defined incident response plan outlines the steps to take in the event of a cyber attack. Regularly testing and updating the incident response plan ensures readiness to respond to cybersecurity threats. The adoption of emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and IoT devices, introduces new cybersecurity challenges. Understanding the risks associated with emerging technologies is crucial for implementing effective security measures. Proactively addressing cybersecurity concerns related to emerging technologies can help organizations stay ahead of cyber threats. Cloud computing offers scalability and flexibility, but also introduces unique cybersecurity considerations. Securing data stored in the cloud requires robust encryption and access controls. Implementing cloud security best practices is essential for protecting sensitive information in the cloud. The proliferation of mobile devices presents new cybersecurity risks for organizations. Mobile security measures, such as device encryption and mobile device management, are critical for protecting data on mobile devices. Educating employees on mobile security best practices can help prevent data breaches and unauthorized access. The growing number of IoT devices in homes and businesses expands the attack surface for cyber criminals. Securing IoT devices against cyber threats is essential for protecting privacy and preventing unauthorized access. Implementing strong authentication and encryption protocols can enhance the security of IoT devices. Ransomware attacks encrypt data and demand payment for decryption, posing a significant threat to organizations. Regularly backing up data and implementing security patches can help prevent ransomware attacks. Developing a ransomware response plan is crucial for minimizing the impact of an attack and recovering data. Nation-state actors engage in cyber attacks for political, economic, or military purposes. Defending against nation-state cyber threats requires robust cybersecurity measures and threat intelligence. Collaboration between governments and the private sector is essential for countering nation-state cyber threats. Ethical considerations in cybersecurity involve protecting individuals' privacy and respecting data ownership rights. Balancing security measures with ethical principles is essential for upholding trust and transparency. Ethical decision-making in cybersecurity requires thoughtful consideration of the potential impacts on individuals and society. The cybersecurity skills gap refers to the shortage of qualified professionals in the field of cybersecurity. Addressing the skills gap requires investing in education and training programs to develop a skilled workforce. Collaboration between academia, industry, and government is essential for bridging the cybersecurity skills gap. Cybersecurity threats are transnational in nature, necessitating global collaboration to address them effectively. International cooperation on cybersecurity issues can enhance threat intelligence sharing and incident response capabilities. Building trust and consensus among countries is crucial for establishing norms and principles for responsible behavior in cyberspace. The implications of cybersecurity are diverse and impact individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. Prioritizing cybersecurity is essential for safeguarding digital assets and mitigating the risks of cyber attacks. By staying informed about emerging threats and implementing proactive security measures, we can collectively enhance cyber resilience and protect against evolving cyber threats.